Let us take the next one. Okay, x square by 1 minus, it is similar to the first one. Okay, 3x by 1 plus 2x square. 3x by 1 plus 2x power of 4. Now this is similar to the first problem that you have done. If you can remember the first problem that you have done. Here, 3x square, I have used the substitution method here. X cube was giving us 3x square. Therefore, I have converted this x power of 6 in the form of x cube whole square. So in the same way here also, you have to check what has to be differentiated to get x. Always, whenever you try to find out the derivative here, if this is the derivative, the one which has been differentiated in the denominator should always be having 1 power more. So if x is there, you have to get x square here. So which means that how can I write x power of 4 in the form of x square? So I can rewrite in this way. Integral of, it is 3x by 1 plus, this I will be writing x square whole square. X square whole square. But now the question is, how can I write 2 square? 2 should also be squared. So can I write that as root 2 whole square times of dx? Are you getting this one?
Yes,
I
sir.
can't just write x power of 4 as whole square. Along with that one, I have to even take 2 also under consideration. So if you try to rewrite this one, it becomes integral of 3x by 1 plus root 2 x square whole square it is. Root 2 x square and whole square times of dx. Now once again go for the substitution method over here. You have to put what? X square to be equals to how much? X square to be equals to t, or root 2 x square to be, put root 2 x square to be equals to t, right? So if you try to differentiate this one, root 2 as it is, differentiation of x square, first square term, x square differentiation will give you 2x, and further differentiation of this will give you dx is equals to dt. X dx as it is equals to dt by. So what will happen to this 2 and root 2? 2 root 2 will come in the denominator and just cross multiplying. But now if you go back to the integral, this 3 is not there here. So can I take this 3 outside now? If you try to rewrite, I is equals to, because 3 is not there here, I am taking 3 outside. I will be left out only with what? X dx. X dx is what? dt by 2 root 2. It is whole divided by. Denominator what you are having? 1 plus. And root 2 x square I have taken it as t and it is squared. Or further, if you try to simplify this one, 1 by 2 root 2 you can take outside. So 3 by 2 root 2 will be getting. And integral of, you are just left out with dt by. So can I write this as t square plus 1, so that we can use this formula. You know this formula, it is integral of dx by x square plus a square. So x square plus a square is nothing but 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a plus the constant of integration c. So now if you just try to plug in place of x, what you are having, this will be nothing but your x value. T is nothing but x. And what about this a value? A value will be 1, because either you write 1 or you write 1 square, both means the same. So if you try to rewrite this one, it is 3 divided by 2 root 2. So formula is 1 by a. 1 by a value is 1. Tan inverse of x. X value is t by a. A value is 1 plus the constant of integration c. But what is the value of t I have taken here? T I have taken it over here as root 2 x square. So you can write down root 2 x square over here. Root 2 x square. That's the value of t plus the constant of integration c. So that will be the required solution.